In today's rapidly evolving AI landscape, the importance of digital skills cannot be overstated, right? Satya said it in his keynote, and rather than me pontificating about it, I'm so happy to be here today with my friend Christy Schwartz, who's the Senior Director of Microsoft Worldwide Learning, to talk about Microsoft's efforts to build the digital skills required in this era of AI. Christy, thank you so much for joining me here today.
Thank you for having me. This is exciting.
Of course. Okay, so during his keynote, Satya talked a lot, actually, about how we must equip everyone with the skills to participate and thrive in this era of AI. Not just survive, but really thrive. Okay, so I would love to hear from your point of view how Microsoft is supporting this.
Yeah. So Microsoft's mission is to build technology that will help empower others to innovate and solve some of the world's largest problems.
Right.
So we want to just equip people with the skills that they need to be able to do that in the AI era. And even over the last year, we have trained and certified over 23 million people across 200 countries with these digital skills.
Did you say 23 million?
23 million.
Million with an M.
Yes.
23 million people.
And growing. So we're really
That's
excited.
Incredible.
Yeah,
I didn't know that. Okay, I didn't know that.
So it continues to grow. And in this AI era, it's no different. We want to continue to help people build the skills that they need to thrive in this AI era. And it's not just about the technology. It really is about the individual.
That's right.
That we want to help to skill and make sure that
everyone learns successful, right? Yeah. Everyone learns differently. And I love that your team is so committed to this. So our commitment as a company is so reflected in so many initiatives across Microsoft, and your team kind of corrals them together, right? So these are things that people are going to need to work with AI, no matter who they are. They could be devs, IT pros, et cetera, et cetera. What are some of the initiatives that you all corral in your work?
Yeah. So we continue to expand our skilling initiatives and invest in our skilling initiatives, and they're having a profound impact on the lives of individuals. So we want to continue to do that. So it could be from helping people in underserved communities, help them realize opportunities that they wouldn't otherwise have, to helping the individual who is a professional and they want to advance their own skills so that they can be successful in their career. We're really thinking about it end to end. So from a global skilling initiative, we continue to expand that program by partnering with governments and nonprofit institutions so that we can serve individuals in underserved communities and help them get access to the AI skills that they need to be able to be successful. And this is a way for us to ensure that we're helping to fuel new jobs and have economic impact globally. We're also working with educators. This is really exciting, where we work with professors or teachers that are helping to teach students the skills, the AI skills that they need, so when they enter the workforce, that they're already prepared. So that's really exciting as well. And then, of course, we work really closely with our customers and our partners as they think about how AI is going to power their organization. We want to make sure that their people have the skills that they need to fuel that growth. So it's really exciting. And our skilling approach is very holistic. All of these audiences are critical to the success of the AI economy, and we want to continue to serve them. So we have programs like Microsoft Learn for Educators or Microsoft Learn for Organizations. And we also have an AI skills navigator that helps people get access to the skilling that they're looking for. So really exciting.
I love all of the train-the-trainer models because that's really where it's at. Not everyone is going to be able to find our resources on their own. So I love that we've got Learn for Educators, Learn for Orgs, etc. So before I let you go, I heard Microsoft Learn had some very exciting announcements here at Ignite. Would you share some of the new AI capabilities available?
Absolutely. So it's not just about the skilling initiatives that we talked about. It's also about empowering through AI, the learner experience. So two new announcements that we made today. First of all is personalized skilling plans on Microsoft Learn. So you go into Learn, you answer a few questions. What skills do I want to build? What do I want to accomplish from a career perspective over what period of time? And AI will magically produce this personalized learning plan that will help you navigate that experience. And then we also have this new AI-powered agent. So ask Ask Learn. So as you're in the flow of learning, you run into a concept that you're not familiar with, you turn to Ask Learn and ask it the question, and it will serve up additional training, modules, other things that will help you with that learning, unblock you, and let you continue on your path. So really excited about both of these announcements.
I love that we're applying AI to the learning of AI. That is fabulous because that's the point of AI, right? How do we make learning easier and more approachable for everyone in the world, no matter what your learning style is? All right, so to learn more, everyone go to aka.ms, learn at Ignite. aka.ms, learn at Ignite. Thank you, Christy. It has been such a joy to talk to you.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having me.
Of course.